Y'all wanna rap pum pum. Right. Yo, welcome back to the Gentleman Podcast. Alright. Now today we're gonna talk about a very interesting artist by the name of Abra Cadabra from the UK, Tottenham, London. Alright. So for all of you guys who don't know who Abra Cadabra is, alright, Abra Cadabra was born on the 4th of April and he's pretty young. He's what? He was born in 1998. Do the maths. I don't know. He's probably like 23, 22. Shit. I failed math, okay? Anyway, here we're going to listen to some Abracadabra, alright? He's a member of the OFB drill group in the UK. I don't know why I slowed down to say that, but anyway, here we're going to go. I'm going to my honest reaction about Abracadabra and him lyrics and everything we have. You see me? Like, the man versatile, but and most importantly, him voice is top of the line, alright? So, I'm going to this thing, you know, I'm going to play Daily Duppy by Abracadabra, yo, and like me I tell you, the thing shot. I listen to it a million times. I'm at the gym, I listen to it a million times. So here I go. Follow up on Instagram. You can follow my personal page. I'm gonna leave everything on the screen in the description. You can find me if you like motor vlogs and like fitness. You can follow me as well on my other YouTube page at Quandino. That's QUANDINHO. Type it in. You're gonna see me in a blue shirt, red hat, looking sexy. So please subscribe to that channel little. And subscribe to this channel as well. Alright, so come on, go over here so now and go look on this general writer. So now when he Abracadabra, we're gonna play a song and we're gonna make on a seat. You see? So I'm gonna click on it first. You know we have to do, you know we have to make sure say run half it at them and thing. Anyway. Anyway, what you know? Alright guys, so we start the song you know, so we're gonna see what go on. We're gonna see if we can hear it, you see it?
So, you know, AB in the building, 7 shit, all way, nowhere. Get right, get left, we get stripped from the joint 10 times, you know. And now it goes around. F's up, I get a chest up, where your vest comes. Oh. So, turning over a knee. I've been getting itchy car, I ain't been in these streets. I've been rapping for my family, say my people gotta eat, but lately, all I see is pussies talking shit on Instagram and sending out tweets.
Yo, the man, but. You me say the man, but. Your man say, all them see are some pussy niggas. I send no tweets, isn't me? Let's do something.
If I wind the way out, I grab my strap and get scheming. For my nigga, cause I ain't feeling, come and stop somebody's breathing.
Bumbo club. You know what man say? Call me nigga Kush and ask him when him dip on. Come and go stop somebody breathing. Brother, some killer this in brother.
Block demons pull up on your block. The ops know how we forward in the evening. No cap, I'm a rap, when I'm spitting his facts.
Your man say, no cap, I'm a rap, or I'm spitting his facts.
The smoke dead up slow more, I'm bigger than that. I'm getting older, plus I realize I'm realer than that. Show some gunshots in the bridges and go laugh with the gang. That's when they push me, I'm chilling, I'm a rapper now. Big cash stacker now. Shoulders that will kill for me, get slapped as you're acting wild. Cash money really turned me to a boss. I love the nigga that I am now. I was broke on my block. They couldn't play on my name, you know. I've been in these streets knee deep. Shot when niggas cut their tails on the beef. Got peace, shot me, I got my shank on the heat. I put my heart on my sleeve, I went to war for my G.
Yo, the man lyrical. Brother, not just the man lyrics, but the man voice just sound different than everybody else, brother. And I them think them like it.
I know what's we don't bring your brothers nothing but jokes, sentences and cars, give nothing but fuck. Bare over when cartridges. For my people, them I rise and block. I'm on target and I know this car made it that. I ain't trying to change it, fam. Put one in the head and come blaze it, fam. Them niggas know we blazing back. Niggas getting shot at and they're playing, man. Pretend on the net all you want, but niggas know we ain't playing that. Steppers them step out, big whack step out. 2 liter dingers getting rev out, better run when it comes to a stop. Ambulance will come for time, we spread out. I seen it all and done it all, no rap cap, I'm a bad man. Only thing I ain't done in these streets is Pac-Man. Feel like I was supposed to, I've really come close to. Facts, minimum 3 when I shank, man.
Your man say minimum 3 when I shank, man. Man stab up nothing less than 3 people, you hear that?
I'm a gangster, not a driller forever. Free my nigga cash, we was drilling together. We was bad way before we got our bread up. I got phased out, our days will get better. They said it on me, all alone, had to pick up myself and just had to pick up myself. Always my time. Tell me everything you got some love. Remember in this world we was on a low. Pick up on my chest up in this smoke.
man say, now this world we're born alone. Why I think him put him trust up in this smoke. And if I don't know what the man means him put him trust up in him gun. I am gonna alone in trust. Alright, yo, so if you guys want to find out a lot of like UK rap, drill musicians, you can go on Daily Duppy. You can type it in on iTunes just to see him. Yeah, you can find these guys just freestyling or just, you know what I mean, coming on to Daily Duppy, a platform, and just spitting nothing but lyrics. Alright. After this reaction video, I am going to do one also on Fredo. Fredo is a really good one as well. I respect Fredo. I like Fredo. Like I've been listening to these guys since I was a youngin', you get me? yeah. I'm still a youngin'.
So, you know, AB in the building, 7 shit. Oh, when I know it, get right, get left, and get shit.
Alright, so this is the second part of the freestyle on Daily Duppy. So, let me say, the first one, I'm gonna get a 10 out of 10, yo, honestly. So, when I listen to the second one, I'm gonna tell you.
Read the jealous 10 times and know. Left up and get a chest up where your best, cuz. Yeah. If I bang this weapon cam, then I might not make it like this out here. When I'm on this plan, everything's on break on a mission to wake up a man's estate. Generally I'm violent, yeah. Send corny erotic. Ask girls when I see my target. I don't itch, I just pass it. Are you really that you came in the lyrics like spit? I don't think so. Machine man strangle it, tryna hit him like bro, the chest shot bingo. Baby says she wanna hold this wet up, she tell her up, I don't think so. Is he a 10 plus 12 or 3 times 3? Line me let 6 go. On the streets, man get respect, nice man inject, don't get shit quick. Gunshot sounds when I flex my index, drilling keep silent, don't drill to impress. He keeps shouting about spin thing, but all night he ain't me. No barrel spin, yeah, we crashed this bridge and then this shit got tech when we rough that brick and we didn't eat shit left. Rondos, man made rondos and still get drops and drew that punto. I had no sense, so I hit him with a combo.
Bombo. Yo, the man say I have no shank, so I hit him with a combo. Brother, I tell you the man bad, brother. I tell you the man bad, like the man think different.
Better have it whacked up, tin fully locked and loaded. Tryna slide there was a no-no. That's when you all saw the bind. We put holes in the brick like polo. Sure, watch your head back, watch your neck back, watch your chest and get a vest and go protect that.
Yo, at the sickest part that in the second freestyle, at the sickest part that is it me man to watch your head back, watch your chest and get a vest and go protect that. Yo, the man bad, brother.
If I ain't there, this Beretta gonna burn you down, you won't get up. I spent so much time that the G's won't let man. Most of my G's when Joey had a shortage of steppers. You know AB stepped up. Hospital thing with a flick on my wrist if I touch my finger. Know yourself, the gal won't fuck, control your
Bombo. Yo! Yeah, man say. The man say a girl want fuck, control your girl, alright? So only little waste man out there, so yeah, you see me? Just make sure know so the girl want, you know? And the girl want rap pum pang. So you better control the girl, alright?
No, I ain't too many men bleeding in the streets, hope when I die I don't go to hell. If I hit him with full.
Yo, this man a sing button. Yo, this man a sing button, nothing but killing people. And he gonna talk about hoping he die, you know, go to hell. Think blood clot Jesus are gonna meet you at pearly gate. If you tell straight, I think a blood clot you turn and go hell.
Panting check his life points, that's an overhell. Creeping and hot block, oversell. Them men only get triggered on the net. Me, I used to get triggered and go for a spin.
Yo, wickedest thing, brother. Wickedest thing, cause right now you have some internet bad man, some Twitter finger bad man. Yeah, man say when him get vexed, him just jump in them car, go for a spin.
Turn that whip, reversing skin, I swear that's him. Yeah, man, hop out the ride and beat it all, man. Slap from the window, standing thing. Hopped out all black on the front end thing. Sure, lean with it and bang that shit. I ain't never been an actor. I'm locked in, off the streets by my boss, that's my two-step factor. You can say what you want by the kid, but the ops go back, AB, you get matched up. I see enough when you use on the fence for an actor. You don't wanna see 2 full clips in the ride driving like it's NASCAR. Headstop, send them to the sky like NASCAR.
Bumbo club. Yo, your man say, yo brother, me tell you the man bad, and go check out the man Abracadabra. Remember me tell you, yo, me can be an advocate for this man, brother. This man is different. This man have a different type of flow, a different voice. Let me tell you, the first song me hear with him was with Steph London, Envious. You see me? That's the first song me hear the man. I'm never hear nothing from him for a while. And then after a while, me hear some bugger song that start drop, bam, 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 bam. And the man just blow. You see me? But a long time of this thing is, a long time of the music still, you know. But I tell you, say, yo, the man bad. Now stop talk and go check it out.
Yeah, let me see the up trigger man, I'm pulling in, man, pulling it. Hang with the up too much, bullet in. Last time he lied in, but he's really pushing it. Little bro swims in the figure of 8, yeah, I full stops and I start swimming in. We don't think he's dead till he starts looking in. You can have this corn, we got bags full of it. Like that,
Yo, the man say you can have this corn, we have bag full of it. You see me? So all I wanna know what corn mean gunshot.
You see, slamming on ITV, sure. Lost up that curse when hospital, I finish up when them guys see me. 3 cats, 3 2, yeah, that's my GG's. Now the man, them expensive like Fiji. Come from big huntings and laser beam. I'll say one word and I make a weed. No, yeah, rap about the drills that I've done when I spun that shank. I crap that mash, bear man, tell you when the good times that they had, but they won't tell you when them good times went bad. No cap, I can tell you about times that I like big 40 car cool, getting crashed on my back, but I still did the fold. Next day I was back on the block with gang trying to step and crash. And I got this car on my neck, car when it's crunch time. I never fold, no. Real life, I hold my own. No. Little bro said, bro, let me hold this one. I said, no, I hold my own. No. Do it yourself mentality, could be a tragedy, could be a casualty. Stay in your crib when I rise this pole. Pressure, man's giving the oxygen pressure. 3 beers in 2 days, that's pressure. Dishing out cool like the kindness gesture. Look at man, no friend, you got you in debt, cuz. Man, know the farm, got back fast, still trying to red man top like ketchup. These gunshot, man, they tried them, fed up. Penny up, look, man, step them quite for. No, the fucking man. Oh, no way. F son. I got a brass club Chester. OFB, BWF, FNB, no. Star gang. So.
Yo, what me tell you say, this liquor you never feel, alright? It's like him just hit the beat, like him just take a hammer and just lick the beat day in, day out. The way the man just, but you know, let me say, check him out, Abracadabra. You can find him on Daily Duppy, you can find him on all music platforms, you see me? And me don't even know this man. This man not even pay me for I say them something here. But me I tell you, give respect where respect is due. And he's a very, very talented artist, and I wish to hear a lot more coming from him in the future. You see me? So go and go check him out. Now, if you like the video, please subscribe, like the video, share it, and tell me what you guys think. Go listen to his music and come back and comment down below and let me know what you guys think of his music. If you're not into UK drill music, you're missing out. Trust me. You get me? That's all I listen to. I'm being dead serious. I don't even listen to dancehall as much as I listen to this. So, you know what I mean? This is my roots. You get me? You know what I mean? These are my roots. I have to love these guys. You get me? But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love. Remember, enjoy yourself. Live life to the fullest. Have a blessed weekend too. It is Saturday. I think it's the 3rd or the 5th. I don't freaking know. I fail math. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Shaboom boom.